What's up everyone, welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. Right next to me I have a mystery box, and underneath of that I even have a bigger mystery box. I will remove all the contents out of both of these boxes and I'll lay everything out on a table. Once I have everything laid out on that table over there, you guys can leave a comment down below and guess what I'll be working on next. If you guys are subscribed and you leave a comment down below with your guys' guess, you are eligible to win a t-shirt just like this up above. So enough talk, let me dig into those two mystery boxes. I've removed a whole bunch of parts out of those two boxes. Now all the tables around me are quite full, but I still have one more part to remove, and that will be probably the biggest hint of all. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and leave your comment if you guys can guess what I'll be working on next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because only then you'll be eligible to win a t-shirt. So that right there was the biggest hint I could give you guys. Leave a comment down below what my next project will be. This is only the engine for that certain piece of equipment, so keep that in mind and read the terms and conditions down below to be eligible for this t-shirt giveaway.